So hello and welcome back to the School of Stock Market everyone, and I welcome you to the post market analysis of Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. And guys, please do watch the video till end to actually understand that what is happening in the market and what can you do for tomorrow's trading purposes. Apart from that, we are also going to share two important stocks for tomorrow's trading, so do watch and like the video. So as we had talked on the Friday, that on the weekly time frame analysis that we did, market is looking little bit of in a bullish outlook, and today you can see the sign of it. Market Nifty 50 again made its new all-time high, correct? But on the other hand, I have told you one more thing, that to be market completely bullish, we need a closing above that level on the daily basis for the positional traders. And for the swing traders, we need a daily candle closing about it. And for the intraday trader itself, we need a closing above on the 15-minute, 5-minute or an hourly chart. But today you can see that market has went above, given us an opening about it, and then faced a lot of resistance and straight fallen down. Not on the 5-minute chart, market was able to give us a closing about the about this particular level. Was not able to give us a closing about this particular level, which is a resistance level, and we had marked it a few days ago. So you can easily understand that what sort of resistance is there in the market. After giving a solid opening, market was not able to sustain about this level, right? So market has not given us a closing even on a 5-minute chart. So by that, anybody taking a long trade thinking that market has breached this level, now we can go long, was a stupidity and really unfortunate, because we had talked about all of these things on the Friday itself, right? I have told you market is near resistance. If phase resistance, then you can easily short the market, and that was happened. Market went above this particular level and then fallen badly. So definitely, yeah, we had good opportunities for shorting the market. And apart from that, yeah, definitely on the weekly chart, there is a bullish outlook. Still bullish outlook is there, but to be confirmed about that, there is something that's signal, and then there is something what we call confirmation of the signal. So yeah, definitely there is a bullish signs on the weekly chart, but confirmation will come once we see a daily candle closing above this particular level. Then we can assume that yeah, now market has confirmed the signal. Some people just take trade based upon the signal, then these type of things happens with them, that market they take a good bullish trade and then market falls like this, right? After giving a good upside opening, we see a good fall in the market. So this type of trap can be created. That's why confirmation is really important. I have told you definitely there are bullish signs on the weekly chart, but confirmation is not yet there. And today you can see market went above this particular level, but then faced a strong resistance on that level. If we talk about the monthly chart, let's wait for 2 more days and let that particular candle get completed. After that only we should talk about it, right? Taking assumptions that okay, this candle is going to be end like this or like that is not a good thing to do. That's why I'm just talking about the daily chart right now. So you can see resistance to market came below. So for the traders, those who have taken swing trade based upon my analysis that from resistance to support swing trade is possible, those people must be in a good profit today, because we have seen a continuous downside fall. So I hope you guys also book good profit. And apart from that, the intraday traders, our levels are working so greatly that we don't need anything else, right? We don't need anything else because our levels are working so greatly. You can see on the hourly chart here, market given as opening came below. Once given opening came below, and you can see then the fall in the market, a little bit of consolidation and level. Again, one more important level I have marked, which is I am going to share with you in the 15-minute chart. You can see one market came down and stayed below. So people who are getting confused, look, the most of the fall was in the first initial hour. So yeah, you have to catch it through the 15-minute chart. You can see this 15-minute chart. This is a particular candle. You can see on the upper side, this is a bearish candle was there, and then again you can see the opening of this candle was below this candle and market started falling. So yeah, after the candle which started at the 9:30 was the right candle to short the market, and after that we have seen a good amount of fall in the market after that also, right? This is the particularly this 15-minute candle which made at the top was a particularly reversal candle through which you should have decided to go short in the market. And this is the confirming candle. This was the signal candle, and this was the confirming candle. Through this the confirmation came. Not only we should not have waited for the confirmation on the 15-minute. We see a reversal here. We should have moved to the 5-minute chart. Okay, right? So Yeah, this is the particular that candle, first 3 candle of the 15-minute chart. The signal came here, confirmation on this 5-minute chart. You should have taken the confirmation that okay, this 5-minute candle is below the resistance, we are going to short the market, and after that you can see good amount of fall was there in the market. So it was a easy trick to do. So now apart from that, you can see now market, if we see at the 15-minute chart, hourly chart, or 15-minute hourly or 5-minute chart, as you can see that market is standing right in between of this particular resistance level and this support line. If you are getting confused as to what we can do, so here we go. I have marked another important level for all of you. This level is also an important level. You can see how many times prices have taken support, and once falls below, market is also facing resistance. Yeah, this definitely looks like a head and shoulder pattern. I have not made it because making patterns on the 5-minute is not that good and not that effective most of the time. Still, you can see there is definitely a pattern has been formed. So yeah, here this is the pattern. You can see as head and shoulder has been made. So yeah, definitely below this, if somebody has captured this while market was consolidating, you could have easily shorted again the market, and after that we have seen good fall. So market have tried to come on this level, and you can see 2-3 candles was below this. So yeah, definitely market was facing resistance on this particular neckline. So this is also going to be important level. If market breaks above this, then you can take a long trade that market will try to go to this resistance level. If market is not able to do that, then you can again short the market for this particular support level. So I think very much you are ready for tomorrow's trading also, correct? So I hope you are ready for tomorrow's trading also, and everything is clear as to what you can do with the daily chart also. So yeah, definitely swing trade, resistance to support is still positive about that sort of trade. Weekly definitely bullish outlook, but not yet no confirmations yet, right? And monthly chart, we are waiting for the 2 more days. Once it get completed, then we can take an analysis on that chart also. So now moving to the Nifty Bank. So see as to what has happened in the Nifty Bank. So as we move to the Nifty Bank, you can see Nifty Bank also near its resistance level, and resistance level here on the weekly chart. Bank Nifty is also looking in a bullish mood, but yeah, confirmation is really important. Closing above this particular level is very important on the daily basis, which is not yet coming. You can see this Bank Nifty has also particularly faced resistance on this particular level. So yeah, swing trade who are planning to take can take. Yeah, definitely looks like it is still possible. And moving to for the intraday traders, all our level has marked levels worked greatly, though there was not such movement in the Bank Nifty. You can see this first hour candle was made by the Bank Nifty. After that, you can see most of the time market was consolidating only, right? And standing right at the support, market was consolidating. Whatever chart I'll take you will find the same thing only, that market was consolidating near its support level only. Yeah, this is consolidation only. The movement in the prices was not so good, right? Not so good, not so much movement in the prices, right? So yeah, you can take a trade based upon the breakout tomorrow. If market try to release on the upside, then you can definitely go long as market is standing near the support level, or if market breaches below, then you can short the market, right? So I hope we are very much clear with the Bank Nifty also. Nothing much in the Bank Nifty, nothing much changes in the Bank Nifty as to our previous analysis also. Now giving you the 2 important stocks that you can use for tomorrow's trading. So first is Titan. So today we have seen good amount of fall in the Titan. As you can see here, Titan has fall for the good amount. And here if you'll find out one more thing, one more interesting thing in the Titan, you can see once Titan started falling, you can see indecision after indecision and again a bullish signal. But what is the problem is that Titan has faced resistance right from this level, correct? Right from this level. So it looks like that Titan is looking in a bullish mood given the close after the indecision. We have seen an upside closing. So market Titan might try to go above from this level, but 738 till 738 is going to be hurdle. So if Titan breaks about the 738, then you can go long on the Titan. Reason I have given you, the indecision has been made and confirmation has came in the last 15 minutes, but still this level is going to be hurdle. 1738 is going to be hurdle. So once breaks about it, then you can definitely easily go along the Titan, right? And the second stock is going to be the L&T, Larsen & Toubro. On the daily chart, I would like to show you something on the Larsen & Toubro. You can see it was increasing, then it fell, then again it started increasing, but you can see here these two candle looks like a pattern to me. That's why we are finding this is the price piercing pattern looks like to me, and that's why we are trying to find the shorting opportunities. Here you can see today for the most of the time you can see the LNT was in this particular range, so I'm looking for a breakdown, right? So once LNT goes below 1509, once LNT goes below 1509, then you can definitely short the LNT given the pattern made on the daily chart and this consolidation, right? So we are going to short the LNT on this level. So I hope you liked the video, so please do press the like button, share the video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much everyone.